your day is overflowing. From juggling period-close activities to drawn-out decision cycles and manual labor-intensive processes, what if you could take back that time using simple prompts to analyze and act on critical financial data instantly? Introducing Microsoft Copilot for Finance, an AI assistant built for finance professionals to help accelerate their impact and reduce costs. Reimagine the way work gets done and get back to delivering the insights that drive business growth. Connect, explore, and update existing financial data from within the Microsoft 365 apps you know and love. Tackle critical processes like period closes and data reconciliation in a supercharged way, all while maintaining an accurate and secure record that others can depend on. Never again miss insights kept silent. Let Copilot transform the way finance works.